Hey, Tyler, get a chopstick. So, Tyler, get a chopstick.
Yes.
Tyler, get a chopstick. Hurry, so you can mix it.
I got a chopstick.
Good.
Here, Daddy, get chopsticks. I got chopsticks.
Good.
What do I do with them? 1, 2, 3, action. Ah! It's okay. It's just so. 5. And 6.
Get a napkin, Tyler. Napkin.
What are you napkin? So one.
Wait, you have to get clear. You get a You have to wipe that down first. You have to wipe down the You have to wipe down the mixer.
It's gonna explode, yeah. After that, can I pull the napkin?
Okay, wipe down the
Oh, and this one too. This one. Yeah. Wait. But what do we need this? What do we need a 6 for?
So you can mix it. So you can mix it inside.
How about this? Listen. How much? Half a cup again?
Keep wiping it. Half cup. Half cup. Make sure it's nice and dry.
My turn. Half cup. No, it's my turn. And after that, it's my turn. Osa, Mia, and Osa. And then me, Osa, and Mia, Osa, Mia. One. A lot.
Okay. Is that enough?
Nope. Okay, I think that's enough. We're gonna waste all of it, but something else. Okay. Ready, Mia? Pour it me. I'll pour it with you too. Don't we leave a nickel stove?
Okay. Wait. Carefully. Carefully. Okay.
You help us do
Get a paper. Get a paper. Get it.
a paper now. The awesome volcano. Show me a happy Mia.
Happy face, happy face, happy face.
Okay, can I stir it now?
Hey.
Can I stir it?
Mia, pour it in. Or Daddy, pour it in.
That's print paper.
Check that out, Mia.
Cool.
Awesome.
Mix it.
No, why don't we leave it in there still?
First. Just put water in there.
Oh,
Yeah, we put water.
Okay, keep mixing it. Keep mixing it.
Mixing it.
What do you do with the water? I'll put the water out.
Did you already put water in there?
Yeah. It's red on the top.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, now pour vinegar. How much vinegar?
Half.
Oh, we should use the other one.
Clean it first. Clean it. Actually, you'll wash it. Go wash it.
The lot.
Mix it. Keep mixing it.
I need help. I can do it. I can. You use the other squirt. Use the other one. It's chopsticks. It's already wet. Red. Red. Don't do it so hard, Mia. I'm just doing it softly. You're the one who's doing it. Stop! Give a towel.
It's okay.
Let me see. Is it ready? I think it is. I think it is, Tyler. I think it's ready. I think it's not. Yeah, it got on me.
It's okay.
I got it.
Okay. Now put half cup.
A towel for me. Me too. I can't wait to do this.